ano ho yung sinasabi na may ilang mga dokumentong lumabas na nagpapakita daw na noon pa man meron na pong findings ang ilang pong mga taga-DPWH ba ito tungkol sa mga depekto ng naturang proyekto at binabanggit bang taon kung tama pagkakarinig ko po ay 2018, 2019 po na mga reports na mahigit daw po umaabot daw po sa higit na 900 depekto ang nakita ng mga engineer sa naturang tulay?
Yes, yung binabanggit mo na 900 plus na nakita doon sa
Mm.
is
Mm.
actually a result of yung reassessment and investigation done doon sa retrofitting works na dapat gagawin. No? Retrofitting works, yun ang nakita ng private consulting firm na engaged ng department at that time
Mhm.
to undertake an assessment of the structure at that time, no.
Mm, mm.
Pero ang pan kasi nito, Ted, this was yung construction of itong tulay na ito started in 2014.
Mm.
Now ang istorya ng mga tauhan ng DPWH, I was surprised actually nung nalaman ko itong mga ito that after a few segments of that bridge, starting hindi lang 2018, no?
Mm.
Mga 2016, 17, yung mga initial construction yan, may nakikita na nilang defekto doon sa tulay na ginagawa. So, this had been reported to the department and to the detail engineering consultant. And the contractor was the one actually who is also pointing out some of the defects na nakikita nila during construction. So anyway, all this tinitingnan nila and medyo nare-remedyohan pa ng konti, but then in 2018, the department at that time already decided na mas mabuti nga siguro i-reassess na muna itong structural integrity of the bridge at tingnan natin kung ano pwedeng ma-retrofit o how it's going to be strengthened, etc. So, ganun nga ang nagawa ng department at that time. So, in 2018, nagkaroon ng reassessment and after that, in 2021 yata na nasimulaan yung retrofitting work hanggang natapos siya noong 2024 o 25.